everybody, welcome back to our last video looking at graphical methods to describe data. And in this video, we're looking at describing the relationship between one qualitative variable and one quantitative variable. So an example of that from our data set, the house data set, is looking at the citing type, which is categorical, versus the sales price, which is numeric. So the way we're going to do that is we're actually going to, I think the easiest way to do this is to copy what we want into a new sheet. So we want the citing type and the sales price. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to hit the, not the shift button, the control button. So control sales price, and then I'm going to control C to copy, and I'm going to make a new sheet over here, and I don't want those descriptive statistics down there. I just want, those are my two columns. And then I'm going to sort by the categorical variable. Okay, you've got to sort by categorical, not by this one. So we're going to go to Data, Sort by column A, so the citing. Okay, and once we do that, now we've got what we want to be columns of data. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to do brick sales prices, make these a little bit wider, combo sales prices, vinyl sales prices, and then the last one was other, I think, oh, wood. And then we're just going to take all of the sales prices for the brick homes, copy them, and paste them into this column. And I'm going to do the same thing for the others. So copying all the combo, putting them in this column, and then all the vinyl over here, and then all of the wood over here. And once we do that, then we can just select our data, and we're going to do the same thing we did before when we wanted to do a comparison. We're going to do a side-by-side box plot, and then we're going to compare the descriptive statistics. So insert, and we're going to look at all charts, box and whisker. And that gives us our chart. And I won't make you sit there and watch while I do a chart title and get the legend, but that's our chart. And then the other thing is the descriptive statistics. We want the mean, the median, the standard deviation, and the range. And I know you know how to do this, but I want to show you real quick one thing. If you start with the longest category, the longest column of data, and go ahead and do the median, standard deviation, and the range, you can then copy those all the way over. And if I'm going to do something like this, I always check verify that this is not going to be a problem. But you can still type in the average of this same range over here, even though there's blank cells. Okay, so you can still copy that over, and you don't have to enter each one of those individually. And then what do we get out of that? Well, from here, it looks like the combination sales prices have the largest variability. When you look at the means and the medians, though, combo and vinyl were the highest, wood and brick were the lowest. Keep in mind, though, that some of these groups had really small sample sizes. This one only had 3 observations in it, so it's hard to get a whole lot of good information from that. So in your project, that might be one thing you'd want to talk about if this were your project data. All right, so that's it. I anticipate you'll probably have a lot of questions about the Excel stuff. And, when that happens, I hope you'll feel free to reach out and let me know. Thanks.